Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 18. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to simplify the given expression, and so we will use the order of operations. We have a subtraction, an addition that is inside parentheses, and a multiplication. So we need to handle what's going on in the parentheses first. So we have 9 minus, and then 3 plus 11 is 14. Then we multiply by 2. Okay, so now we have a subtraction and a multiplication. So we do the multiplication. That gives us 9 minus 28. So 9 minus 28. All right, and so we perform that subtraction and we get minus 19. And that is our final answer. I hope you found that helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.